Um, Meanwhile, Trump's lawyers was in court today, and this is what they had to say. Um, this is a report of Trump's lawyers in court in front of the Supreme Court as the Supreme Court justices decide whether or not Donald Trump, as the next president, deserves immunity.
So this really just happened. Former President Trump's attorneys before the Supreme Court today argued that essentially if President Biden determines that Donald Trump is a corrupt individual, he could order the military to assassinate Trump and have absolute immunity from any criminal prosecution. Listen here.
If the president decides that his rival is a corrupt person and he orders the military or orders someone to assassinate him, is that within his official acts that for which he can get immunity?
It would depend on the hypothetical, but we can see that could well be an official act.
It could, and why? Because he's doing it for personal reasons.
You heard it. Trump's lawyers essentially said that any president, future or present, could determine that his rival is a corrupt person and order the military to assassinate him and essentially get away with it. Is that not the most absurd thing you've ever heard?
Absolutely. Absolutely. I hope that the Supreme Court justices do the right thing. That's, absolutely insane. And, if the president or the former president, is asking for immunity, it's criminal immunity. No other president has needed immunity, but Donald Trump now needs criminal immunity because he obviously is guilty somewhere. Guilty of stealing the election, guilty of being corrupt, guilty of using campaign money to pay off his porn star, prostitutes, and amongst other things.